Happy Sunday. Welcome back to another Sunday Motivation. Today I am just kind of getting some stuff done to start like winterizing the house. We're supposed to get a massive snowfall soon, so I kind of just want to be ready for that. So this is kind of just some things that I pretty much just do twice a year for like spring cleaning and winter cleaning. Let's do it. This shelf sitting and taking up space in the dining area for probably about a month now, so I have to get all of my nail crap off of that and upstairs now that that is cleared out, and actually have some room for like a dining table. This offensive mess is our front porch. With all of the room transitioning with the baby and such, we ended up with a pile of donations because also COVID reasons. So it's just kind of been piling up in here, and now we actually need to make room for the furniture from the side deck. That has to go in here for the winter because we don't use the porch in the winter, and right now there is no room. So I'm just trying to clear out some space there. The last thing on my list for right now, until it's like actually winter, is to go through all of this winter stuff that's been in storage and sort it out and get it put out so that we can use it in the event we wake up one morning and it's all of a sudden winter. I am leaving some of the heavier stuff like snow pants and that in the bin, because that won't be something that will be necessarily needed right away, but everything else I'm getting out, and I'm also leaving the fall stuff out. I'm just putting away things like sandals and like ball cap stuff we're not really wearing right now because it's fall. So that's just being swapped for the moment, and I'll have to do more of that once we're deeper into crappy weather. And that's all I'm doing for now. guys, we are nearing the end, so I'm going to do my outro now. So thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate any comments you leave me as well. If you feel so inclined, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.